Hello everyone, this is a question series on sinusoidal steady state analysis. Let's continue with the problem. The steady state output of the circuit shown in figure is given by y of t equal to a of omega sin omega t plus phi. If the amplitude a of omega equal to 0.25, then the frequency omega is. In the given question, y of t is given. What is y of t? That is the voltage across this capacitor. Okay, and we know that if there is a point A and B here, voltage across this would be VAB, and y of t would be half of this voltage VAB. Okay. Then first we can find the voltage across these 2 points VAB. For that we have to find the equivalent capacitance. Okay, what would be the equivalent capacitance? We can see that there are two capacitors in series, and with that a third capacitor is in parallel. Okay, when C and C are in series, the output would be C by 2. Okay, this C by 2 is in parallel with the third capacitor C. Therefore, we get 3 C by 2 plus C, which is equal to 3 C by 2. This is the equivalent capacitance. Now we can read out this circuit. This is the resistor and this is the equivalent capacitor, that is C equivalent, which is equal to 3C by 2. This is the resistor and this is the voltage sin omega t, that is 1 angle 0. Now we have to find the voltage across the point A, B, which we can denote it as V of t. Okay. Now what is V of t? By voltage division rule we know that V of t equal to the input voltage, that is 1 angle 0, into this impedance, that is 1 by j omega C equivalent, divided by the total impedance, that is R, plus 1 by j omega C equivalent. This is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus j omega R C equivalent. Now we can substitute for C equivalent, that is 1 by 1 plus j omega R into 3 by 2 C. Okay. Now rearranging, we get 2 divided by 2 plus j omega R into 3C, or 2 by 2 plus j into 3 omega R C. This is V of t. Now we know that y of t is half of the voltage V of t. That is y of t is equal to half of V of t, which is equal to half of 2 divided by 2 plus j 3 omega R C. 2 got cancelled, therefore y of t equal to 1 by 2 j 3 omega R C. Now what is the magnitude of y of t? Y of t has a magnitude 1 by root of 2 square plus 3 omega R C whole square, which is equal to 1 by root of 4 plus 9 omega R C whole square. Now in the given question it is given that the magnitude y of t is, the amplitude is equal to 0.25. Okay, so we can equate this with 0.25. 0.25 is 1 by 4. Okay. So now we can square this. We can square this equation, that is 1 by 4 plus 9 omega R C whole square is equal to 1 by 16. That is by squaring. Okay, now what is this? 4 plus 9 omega R C whole square is equal to 16, or 9 omega R C whole square equal to 16 minus 4, that is 12, or omega R C whole square equal to 12 divided by 9. Therefore omega R C is equal to root of 12 by 9, which is equal to 2 by root 3. Okay, omega R C equal to 2 by root 3, therefore omega is equal to 2 by root 3 R C. This is the final answer.